thank you for clicking on this video. If you like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so we can push these videos out to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Currently, I'm in Puerto Hermina in Quebradillas, Puerto Rico, and this is spectacular, amazing. We went down this beautiful road and you got to see how it looks from up there. And now we are in this beautiful area. Beautiful morning, day after Christmas, Boxing Day in Canada. And it is spectacular. This is so beautiful. It has these wonderful gazebos. Obviously the water is very rough here, so I don't recommend going in, but just to see the views and everything, man, it is absolutely amazing. Now remember, it says here, si no se te olvida el celular o dinero, si no se te olvida la cartera, entonces no te olvide que no se te olvide tu basura. So in other words, make sure that you take the garbage with you. Unfortunately, somebody here didn't adhere to that, but it is spectacular. Looks like there's some ruins here. This looks really nice. Wow, check that out. It's amazing. What a very pretty beach.
I could still climb.
It's nice, right? Alright guys, we are now in Crash Boat Beach in Quebradillas, Puerto Rico. We've been here a number of times and we just want to document this part of our stop here to the northwest and west coast of Puerto Rico. Beautiful day, sun is out, having a great time here, and we're finally gonna get to sunbathe a bit because it's been raining, as you guys could see from the previous video. It was raining, but right now it's looking good. Right, so they have painted the dock area. That's where everybody throws themselves off. Really cool. So on this side we have some food spots. They have these tents and you can get number of things. You can get frappes, you can get pinchos, you can get empanadillas, every fritter you can here in Puerto Rico. So it's really cool. So you got the pizza one. How is it? Right, huge pina colada, 10 bucks. Really, really good. Phenomenal. Got the brain freeze. All right, so as you can see, beautiful crystal clear water. This is what Crash Boat is about. Just coming here, relaxing in the sun, enjoying the beautiful beaches of Puerto Rico. And then you go home, you take a shower, you have good food to eat, and that's pretty much it. That's what vacationing is about after all, right? You explore beautiful places and you just enjoy. Okay, time to go in the water. Get out.
Now I can say that I'm a whale.
It is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous water. Water is a tad bit cold, but it goes right away. So you go into the water. Refreshing because it is pretty hot. So it is refreshing. Let's check out the water clarity. Pretty good.